How to get a student discount on Apple products. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get student discount on your Apple products. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up a web browser and simply search for student discount Apple. After you've done that, you'll see education pricing and student discounts on all of the Apple products. Head over to this Apple's website right here, and you should be able to see all of the products available. So right here, let me just open up Apple's website. After you've opened up, let's get back here, and here you can see your MacBook Pro, your MacBook Air, iPad Air, and everything else. So here you can see your products from Apple, and you can scroll down and you'll see Apple Store difference, and you can see how much you can save here as well. So by default, you will get 10% off on every product if you are a student and you want to buy Apple products. So let's say that you first open up Apple products from here. So if you scroll down all the way, here you'll see for education purposes. And now from here, you can shop for college. Doing that, it will take you to this website. It's the very same website. So right here, you can see all the products. So let's just open up MacBook. Let's search for MacBook Pro, open this up, and after you're here, you can choose which MacBook you want, which the chip, the size of the MacBook, and all the other stuff. So right here, you can see an option where you will be able to buy MacBook. Let's compare it with our normal Mac. So let's open up Mac. After that, let's open up MacBook Pro here. It should be really easy here. So let's say MacBook Pro, this one. Let's tap on buy or simply open this up. So here you can see that for students, you can buy MacBook Pro at this price. Now, here there are system specifications. So just see which you want to buy or which you think would go perfect for you. And here you can see MacBook Pro and the price for it. So if you scroll down and you can compare different prices, but let's just see MacBook Pro's price for students. So here you can see you can actually save up to this for 12 months by paying 124.91 per month for 12 months, or you can simply get entirely for 14.99, and you can do that. It's the same. You will get 10% on every products here. So yeah, that is how you can get student discount. All you have to do is search for the student or education page of MacBook and you should be good to go. After that, you will need to verify that you're a student as well when you go through your buying process. So yeah, just verify using your university ID or college ID, and doing that you should be good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.